Welcome to a brief introduction of MOX2GO, a powerful iOS application that integrates with the MOX calibration management system to put real-time calibration and maintenance information on test equipment on your mobile device, and allows technicians to perform field maintenance on test equipment using a mobile phone or tablet. No more second-guessing or having to access multiple systems to view an equipment's maintenance status or scrambling to find a calibration certificate during an audit. Simply scan the asset's barcode to access the asset's calibration and maintenance history on your iOS phone or tablet, including the asset ID and description, who the asset is assigned to, the asset's custodian, last calibration date, and the calibration due date. Click on the Calibration Certificate tab to see the calibration history of the asset, and click on any certificate to open a PDF copy which you can print or email from your phone. The other function of MOX2GO is capturing service information on measurement and test equipment that require maintenance in between calibrations, or need to be tested before each use. To perform maintenance on an asset, select the applicable service form, perform the required maintenance, and submit. In addition to the results, the form automatically captures the date and time of the service, name of technician, and the location where the service was performed. You can also take pictures of the equipment or test readings and attach them to the service results. Now click on the MOX Service Record tab to view the service history of the asset, including the last service date, results, and the next service due date. The service forms are easily created and customized by the MOX user and associated with specific assets so that the technician has easy access to all relevant service forms for each asset on their mobile device. MOX2GO puts all the relevant calibration and maintenance information in the palm of your hand.